Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to change the poll style on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official WordPress site. Once the page loads, you will see several options, including the login feature located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to get started with the process. After clicking the login button, the next step is to authenticate yourself using your Google account. Look for the option that says Continue with Google and click on it. A list of accounts will appear and you should choose the account you normally use for your WordPress website. This method provides a fast and secure way of signing in by leveraging your existing Google credentials. After successfully signing in, shift your focus to the feedback section. Within this area, you will find various interactive tools designed to enhance user engagement and gather opinions from your visitors. Clicking on feedback will lead you to a dedicated segment where you can manage different elements of your website's polls. Once inside the feedback section, locate and select the option labeled Crowd Signal. This platform is integrated with WordPress to allow you to easily manage your polls and surveys. When the Crowd Signal option has been clicked, you will then need to access your account settings. To do this, move your attention towards the right side of the screen where your account drop-down is located. Clicking this drop-down will unveil additional options related to your user preferences and account management. Within those options, find and click on Settings to proceed further. This action will direct you to a section where various aspects of your online presence can be customized. Within the Settings area, you will find several configuration choices. Look through the options until you see Poll Style, which is the feature you intend to modify today. This section allows you to select from different design styles that best suit the look and functionality of your website. Take your time to review the available styles and choose the one that matches your website's overall theme. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to compare different styles as you hover over each option. Once you have selected your preferred poll style, there is one last important step to finalize the changes. Find the Save Options button on the page and click it to save your new settings. This step is crucial as it ensures that your customization is applied immediately to your website. With a single click on Save Options, your new poll style is activated and visitors to your site will now experience your updated design. Following these steps systematically will allow you to quickly and efficiently change the poll style on your WordPress website. The process is designed to be user-friendly and to guide you smoothly from login to final customization. Enjoy your newly styled polls and the enhanced experience they bring to your website visitors.